concerned, they have laid a lot of stress on women empowerment. This has been being done since maybe a few years back onwards. But this time also she has given a lot of freebies, you can say, such as we can say when we have this women any property which is being bought in the name of women. See, now we used to find that mostly not in Goa maybe, but outside Goa we have got a lot of property being bought in the name of the male only. So now we will find, I think, because of the lowering of the stamp duties, in the name of, if you purchase the property in the name of women, you will have a some relief. So that is why I think we will find many women having properties in their names. Secondly, women employment. Women are given so many other freebies, like we will be having women will be able to start their own businesses, and here for women they have given certain reliefs in some of the parts. So whenever women starts up in startups nowadays, we see many men as well as women coming into startups, and we have got this for startups also. Like the angel tax has been abolished, which will be very good, because very many young girls are coming into startups. We appreciate and we try to give them some push through the women's wing of our chamber, Goa Chamber of Commerce and Industries. We have got a women's wing which helps these women. Self-help groups are going to come into a picture. We will have so many other women entrepreneurs also who have been in the backstage sort of. So this will also help. And then we have got employment also for women, who will we will be giving more push to these people. Similarly, solar, a good budget. Not that it is it has got anything, but we will have to go into the intricacy. We have to study the proper budget, detailed budget, and then only we will be knowing what are the repercussions.